y'all, PiecesofNika is back, and in today's video I wanted to come on and show y'all a really quick way that I just found out about. I think this has been out, but this is new to me, and so I just wanted to come on real quick and show y'all a new way that I found to really make my lashes stick on and stay on really well. And if you've already heard of this, that's awesome. But for those of you who are like me and didn't know anything about doing it this way, you're going to find that this is a better way to get your lashes to stick. And this is the lash glue that I'm using. And I'm using the Ardell Wispies. So the first thing you want to do is put your glue on your lashes. And I'm using the IMV Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive in black. And so you apply that to your lashes, and then you're actually going to take your glue and you're going to line your eye. What the object for this is you're going to have a glue line on your eye like you would a wing. Like just don't wing it though, just put it right along your eye. And there's going to be some glue there, and so the glue that's on the lashes is going to immediately stick to the glue that's on your eye. Who knew? Like, I feel like I've been doing my lashes all wrong all this time. So let's just test that out, shall we? So I have my glue here, and it does have a little thin tip, which is really awesome to line your eye. So let me get close so you guys can see. I'm gonna pull my eye just a little bit to see. You wanna start it wherever you're gonna start your lash. So lashes usually start somewhere right in here. And you're just gonna make a line. See that line? And you're just gonna go all the way across. You're gonna wanna do this to one eye at a time. So here's my lash. You want to take your tweezers, and you can stick your tweezers in the center like this, but this is just not what I do. I take my tweezers at the beginning where you're going to stick it at, because I like to stick mine from the inner corner to the outer corner. So you're going to take it like that, close to the lash band, pull your eye, and then you're just going to stick it on there. And just like that, it's stuck. The inner corner is on there. I mean, it is sticking so quick. You guys, like, this for me is a game changer. OMG. Y'all, wow. And even like if I wanted to take it off and re-stick it, it just, oh, this is amazing. I had to come and show y'all this. Oh, look. What? I mean, it is on there. Do you see that? Let's do the other eye. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing to the next eye. I'm just really amazed by this. Like, who knew that one step can make such a difference by just lining your eye with glue and then putting glue on the lashes and letting both the glues adhere to each other. What? I want to try the magnetic liner lash deal thing that they have now. That is so cool. Huh. Wow. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do the same thing to this eye. All right, like, you don't have to wait for it to dry or anything. You can just go right on and stick it on there. On the end, pull your eye down and stick it on there. Can y'all see this? Look at that. Inner corner is just stuck already. Like, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. I think this is so cool. Bruh. OMG. I'm not saying I created this. I heard somebody say that this is how they was putting on their lashes and that it works. And boy, they was not lying. It is stuck instantly. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Wow. The inner corner is on there. Look. What? That is crazy. That is so cool. So yeah, I wanted to just make this quick video. But before you leave, the last thing I always do when I apply my lashes is go over the band with liner. And they're on. Wow, that is so cool to me. And I just feel like doing it this way, your lashes are gonna stay stuck all day. Even your inner corner, like, y'all give this a try and let me know if it works like this for you all. I just want to make this video just to show y'all that. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. I love you all. Thank you to all of my new subscribers and everybody who's been rocking with me since day one. I appreciate all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all of your support. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey, I'm back. And so you probably wanted to know how to get this glue off of your eye after you pulled off your lash. So you're just gonna take a makeup wipe with just a little bit of coconut oil on there. And you're just gonna rub it off. It should come right off. And just keep rubbing. Be gentle when you're doing this though. You don't wanna rub too hard. I've already wiped it off that eye. I just wanted to show y'all that it does come off. So you don't have to worry that it's not gonna come off. Alright. I just wanted to come show y'all that it does come off. No worries. Eyes is not burning anything. So y'all try this. Bye-bye.